All right, guys, it appears that I'm live now, and if you can see my screen, please give me some likes, some thumbs ups. Let's get the place warming up. Just give me some likes. Just give me some thumbs up to show that yeah, we are actually live. I just want to see that. I just want to see that. All right, I can see Paul says hello. Paul, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? All right. So, Paul, can you see my screen? Give me some likes. Give me some likes. Please smash the like button as many as possible. All right. Give me some likes. Let me see your likes. Okay. Just hit more of the like button. Just keep hitting the like button. Let's do that. Let's do that. All right, guys. Just give me more likes. Okay, just give me more likes. I'm live now, so give me more likes. Okay. All right. Now my screen is sharing. Yeah, give me more like. Hit the like button. Just keep hitting the like button. Okay. All right, guys. All right. I can see some people are hitting the like button. Yeah, please keep hitting the like button. Please keep hitting the like button. More love, more love. Okay. Um. All right. Good evening to you all. In fact, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Weekly Outlook. We are going to dissect the gold analysis or the gold chart. We're just going to dissect every single thing in there. All right. And then we're going to have a clear picture, clear understanding of what market is likely to do. All right. If it is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, so anytime I just come on live or I just drop a new video, you're actually going to get it. All right. So please give me more likes, give me more likes, give me more fire, give me more likes, give me more fire. Just doing that, you helping me also get to wherever we're going. All right, guys. Today we're going to look at gold, and gold is what we focus on. Don't forget, okay, don't forget that next week we're starting the challenge. Next week we're starting the challenge. If you have not opened your live account, please do fund it with $100 or more, and then follow me. Let's get some money rolling into the account. We're actually turning $100 or more into $5,000. All right, right. We're just turning that in 2 months. We're just going to do that. Okay. Please try as much as possible. Participate in this challenge. Take it very seriously, because my next one might not going to be free, or is not going to be free. Okay, so please take it very serious. Take it very serious, and then join the challenge. Let's all make money together for the first time. All right, probably the second time we are going to do that, but it might come with a fee. Okay, so I told you guys earlier on. Let's start doing something. Earlier on, I think last week. So I told you guys that look, we have this strong impulsive move. Okay, we have this strong impulsive move. So after getting this impulsive move, we expect this correction, and that exactly happened. And now we expecting that market to do more impulsive, but market looks like it is doing more of correction than impulse. Okay, it's doing more correction than impulse. So because of that, because of that, I think price may do something a little different than usual. Okay, price may do something a little different than usual. But this is what we are still expecting within this week. Okay, this week, what are we expecting? This is what we are expecting. Now, if you look at the chart right here, this looks more corrective. All right, it looks more corrective. This is an impulse, this is a correction, and then we should get more corrective to the downside. Gold is a sell. Don't forget, don't do anything. All right, anytime you see a sell signal, take it. Okay, take it in good faith. Don't focus on anything buy. Please keep hitting the like buttons. Please keep hitting the like buttons. All right, so gold is a complete sell. All right, complete sell. Now let's go down. So I did this analysis and I pointed it to you guys that, hey, this is what is going to happen with gold. Okay, I showed you the directions of gold. So I told you guys that gold is going to do something like this. So we counted this as with 1, this as with 2, this as with 3. Undo. So this as with 1 of a small degree, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then this with 5. Okay, after this with 5, we got a correction that is with 1 like this, with A, with B, and then with C like that. Okay, let me make it so clear. For you to get exactly what I'm talking to you about. All right, so I'm going to make it so clear so that everybody follows it. All right, so gold did this small degree with 1, this with 2, this with 3, this with 4, and that is with 5. Then the cycle ended. Okay, and now we have a new set of wave, which is a correction. After a 5 wave, we should get a correction. So we had A, B, and C. So then this becomes a higher degree with 2. So this is all this becomes with 1, and this is with 2. Right, so we're expecting that gold should impulse to the downside, and then we have the impulse. Perfect. We have the impulse. The impulse was great, about 300 pips. That was great. I did not miss anything on that. That was perfectly fine. All right, now what are we expecting? What are we expecting today and then in this week? This is what I'm expecting gold to be doing. Since we have this move, this becomes an impulsive move. All right, this becomes an impulsive move to the downside. So I'm expecting a correction. So gold did a nice correction, and now I'm still expecting more correction. Okay, so if you watch this level, okay, let me add in something here. Level of invalidation. All right, so this is the level of invalidation. So price actually, if it had broken this level, then I would expect them to come into this zone. This was the final zone I was expecting them to come in. Then we do the sell. But we did not get to that level. So since we didn't get into that level, I expect price to continue the down move. And that has already started. All right, let's go to, in fact, 5 minutes, and then we'll even go to the 1 minute. So the 5 minutes, let me make the chart a little bigger for you to see. In 5 minutes, this is what actually is happening right now. So we have the impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the ABC correction. But this time around, the ABC correction is ending with an ending diagonal. That is the important part of it. That's what makes the chart even interesting. All right. So what are we expecting? We are expecting that price to start the sell immediately. Okay. We've already touched the zones I'm actually looking at. So price should start making the turn right from here, selling immediately. We shouldn't wait for any other thing. So from Monday, we are expecting that gold should start the sells. All right, gold should start the sells. In fact, I have my own tools that I use to do um, the moves. I used to check out some of the moves, okay, which they are not here on TradingView, but you can also use your own technical analysis to check and confirm that yes, price is actually in the direction of the sell. Right? So basically that we're actually looking at this, and then we are very interested in that. We are interested in the direction of what market is going to do. So what I'm expecting is that gold should start selling from this level, which is the 2030 levels. The 2030 levels, okay. Gold should start selling from the 2030 levels, and when that happens, we should expect price going all the way, dropping all the way. Okay, we should drop all the way to we should be dropping all the way to 1999. Wow. From 2030, that is 2030, the year 2030 to 1999, we are retrogressing. That is interesting, guys. We can even drop all the way to 1990. Okay, 1990. So when we get to 1990, that is when I'm actually going to look at anything. But we may have some stops along the way. Okay, we may have some stops along the way. So if you look at the price charts, you would see that we may have a stop. We may stop at let me check. We may stop at 2012 or 2016 thereabout. We may stop there. Okay, we might have a hold there before price will then start to continue the moves. Okay, guys, if you are liking this, just give me more like. Just continue hitting the like buttons if you are actually liking what I'm actually giving you. All right, this is where I'm going to go into the part here. The part here. Which part is that? The last part. This last part. This is what we call the ABC pattern. This ABC pattern is very, very interesting pattern. All right. We can equally have some of the stuff like some patterns in additions. Let me show you. It's been a while I did all of this stuff, but that's fine. We can equally have something like this. Okay. We can equally have something like this. All right. And this is a nice, I cannot confirm either a godly or a shark pattern, one of them. Okay, it cannot be a shark. It can fall into the ranges of a godly pattern. All right. So I cannot confirm all the Fibonacci's. Yeah, I'm not a robot. You get it. So I cannot confirm all the Fibonacci's, but this can actually fall in between a godly pattern. All right. So yes, we have that pattern also in play, and then we have our AB equals CD pattern. Then triangle traders, we also have a basic triangle pattern there. Basic chart pattern traders, we have something like an M pattern. That is what you call it, basic chart pattern traders. All right, so we have something like an M. Let me draw that for you to see. So we have this M pattern. Okay, so you're expecting a sell. All right, that's for basic traders. Then we have the triangle traders, and then you can see we have this triangle, and price should come to the downside. All right. So basically, we actually have these patterns in there in supporting of whatever we are looking at. Then support and resistance traders, they will also draw their support and resistance somewhere here. Okay, All right, so we have a lot of confluences around these areas. Okay, even though that is basically not exactly what we are looking at, but that's it. We actually having the backing of some other traders, all right, or some other participants. At this point, if we don't have any questions, I tell you, have a blessed week, make a lot of profits with Molar Gold. You can also subscribe to our VIP channel, and then you can also join us. All right. Don't forget and load up your trading account. Load your trading account for gold, okay, for the coming challenge. All right, guys. At this point, I'll say we'll meet again. Bye for now.